Let's jump in! They start simple, but the shocker near number 12 is worth the wait. Brew tea the easy way with this heat-resistant glass teapot. Designed for elegance, built for everyday comfort. Just add your favorite loose leaves, pour in hot water, and press the button on top. The tea filters through gently, giving you a smooth, clean pour without oversteeping. Its transparent body lets you enjoy the color and clarity of each brew, while the ergonomic handle ensures a steady, confident grip. Whether it's a peaceful morning routine or an evening with guests, this teapot turns every moment into a small celebration of tea, simplicity, and warmth. For those who take their tech seriously, this all-in-one cleaning system is a game-changer. From dust hiding beneath your keys to grime in your charging port or smudges on your camera lens, it's designed to handle the delicate details that most tools miss, thoroughly, safely, and with precision. Tucked neatly into a compact, travel-ready case, it includes everything from soft and firm brushes to air blowers, precision tips, a microfiber cloth, a refillable spray bottle, and even tiny tools crafted just for earbuds, SIM trays, and headphone slots. Each item fits perfectly in its own compartment, keeping the whole kit organized, protected, and always ready to go. No more improvising with cotton swabs or paper clips. Whether you're a student, gamer, content creator, or someone who simply values spotless gear, this toolkit helps restore your devices to their best condition, without hassle or risk. Take care of your tech the smart way, wherever you are. A tiny astronaut standing on the moon, quietly filling the room with light. Blank ceilings turn into deep space skies, scattered with soft colors and quiet motion. Gentle enough for sleep, calming enough for late-night thoughts. It adds a sense of peace, curiosity, and just a touch of magic. Perfect for a bedroom, a reading nook, or anywhere that could use a little wonder. A daily ritual made beautiful. This elegantly crafted ceramic mug comes with a built-in filter that lets you steep loose leaf tea with ease. No extra tools, no mess. Just add your favorite leaves, pour hot water, and let the magic unfold. When it's ready, lift the filter and enjoy a clean, aromatic brew right in your cup. The matte finish, wooden handle, and thoughtful design make it feel like more than just a mug. It's a moment of calm in your hands. Perfect for workdays, slow mornings, or anyone who wants a little more ceremony in their tea routine. A clean modern lamp that adapts to your space. Touch to switch, fold to adjust, and use it however you like. Standing, hanging, or flat. Soft light when you want to relax, bright focus when you need to work. Simple, warm, and always useful. It may look like a sleek ring, but it folds into a compact stainless steel tool you can count on. Great for stress relief or added peace of mind. Discreet, durable, and always ready. Release the tension of the day with this wireless scalp massager. Your personal moment of calm wherever you are. Its rotating silicone nodes mimic the gentle kneading of human hands, easing stress from your head, neck, and shoulders with every move. Lightweight and cordless, it fits seamlessly into your routine, whether you're on the couch, at your desk, or winding down before bed. With each gentle rotation, it melts away fatigue and invites a lasting sense of comfort that's hard to put into words. Small in size, big in relaxation, and always within reach when you need it most. Turn the rollers, roll out a new challenge. This little gadget makes math fun, fast, and hands-on. No screens, no stress, just spin to create endless combinations of addition, subtraction, and more. Each twist brings a new problem, keeping minds active and engaged without ever feeling like homework. Perfect for kids who are learning, parents looking for interactive tools, or adults who want to stay sharp. Whether you're in a classroom, at home, or on the go, it's compact, playful, and way more satisfying than a worksheet. Math practice made simple and honestly, a little addictive. Looking sharp has never been this easy. This sleek handheld steamer fits right in your palm and powers up in seconds. No ironing board, no fuss. Just fill the tank, press the button, and let the continuous steam melt away wrinkles like magic. It works on all your favorite fabrics, from delicate dresses to cotton shirts and even heavier materials. Need a quick refresh before heading out? This tool is your secret weapon for smooth, crisp clothes anytime. Lightweight, portable, and powerful, it's perfect for both home use and travel. No more waiting for the iron to heat up, no more bulky equipment, just fast, easy results. Toss it in your bag, keep it by your vanity, or pack it for a weekend trip. Support and rest, always within reach. This foldable walking chair stick transforms from a stable walking cane into a comfortable seat in seconds. Lightweight yet durable, with anti-slip rubber feet for safety on any surface. Perfect for elderly users, travelers, or anyone who needs a quick break on the go. Easy to fold, carry, and store. No tools needed. Stay independent, stay comfortable, wherever life takes you. Cooking often starts with chopping, and that usually takes the most time. This slicer turns it into a quick, easy step. With one press, your ingredients are cut into even pieces and collected neatly in the box below, keeping your counter clean. The 6 interchangeable blades give you options for slices, cubes, or thicker cuts, and the sturdy design keeps it safe and steady while you work. When you're done, just lift out the box, rinse it, and it's ready to use again. A simple tool that makes everyday prep faster, cleaner, and much more convenient. If recovery is slow or hand strength just isn't what it used to be, this glove steps in to help, literally. The automatic hand trainer gently moves your fingers for you, helping rebuild motion, strength, and coordination without causing stress or pain. Just slip it on, adjust the speed and force levels, and let the smart system guide your hand through controlled exercises. It's especially helpful for stroke recovery, post-surgery rehab, arthritis, or nerve damage. The lightweight design makes it easy to wear daily, and it's quiet enough to use while watching TV or reading. Consistent movement leads to steady progress, and this glove makes that consistency effortless. This all-in-one screwdriver kit solves that in style. From tech repairs to tiny home fixes, it packs everything you need in one sleek case. The magnetic storage keeps each bit organized and easy to access, while the rotatable handle provides a solid, comfortable grip. Every bit is crafted with precision and labeled clearly. No more guesswork, no more mismatches. Whether you're tightening a hinge, swapping out laptop parts, or fixing your watch, there's a tool in here that fits. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for your desk, your bag, or your car. Clean, compact, and endlessly useful. This is the screwdriver kit you'll actually want to carry everywhere. When versatility meets durability, you get a tool that's ready for anything. This folding survival multi-tool is built to handle whatever the day throws at you. Whether you're out in the wild, fixing something on the go, or just like being prepared. Its compact design hides serious strength, combining smart function with a rugged, matte black frame that feels solid in your hand. It opens and folds smoothly, locking into place with ease. So every task feels controlled and efficient. Whether you're slicing, tightening, or making quick adjustments, this tool keeps up without hesitation. It's light enough to carry in a pocket or pack, yet tough enough to feel like more than just a backup. It's the kind of gear you bring just in case, but find yourself using far more than you expected. From daily fixes to outdoor situations, it's ready to go when you are, and built to earn its spot in your everyday carry.